The Uganda AIDS Survey Indicator of 2011 showed that Uganda is one of only 2 African countries, along with Chad, where AIDS rates are on the rise. The reversal is particularly disappointing to health experts, considering the time and attention accorded to HIV/AIDS and the billions of dollars spent. According to the same report, the HIV/AIDS prevalence rate is highest in women, with those in urban areas generally more likely to contract the virus compared to those in rural areas. The Ministry of Health attributes the new prevalence rates to multiple sexual partners. The Alliance of Mayors and Urban Leaders on HIV/AIDS AMICAL, an umbrella body of municipal and urban leaders, have called for increased government funding to take the fight to another level.
Over a period of time since the advent of HIV/AIDS in this country, HIV/AIDS has been highest in urban areas because of unique problems. The most at-risk populations are found in urban areas. Sex workers, the truckers, the border, these are mainly urban issues. So HIV/AIDS is highest.
In Kachiri Town Council, for example, we are at 17% HIV prevalence. This is partly because we are near a barracks. Secondly, we have migrant workers who move from different places and settle in these urban centers. And we have actually the lowest access to medical services in regard to HIV.
Urban councils are the homes of everybody. There's a lot of rural-urban migration. It's a collection of all cultures, all tribes, all different kind of people, and therefore different behaviors.
The Uganda AIDS Survey Indicator report found that 75% of Ugandans were knowledgeable about condoms and sexual health, but that fewer than 8% of married men who were having sex outside marriage use condoms.
Our appeal is for continued support and collaboration. We need technical guidance. We need financial support from our partners.
The government should work hand in hand with urban leaders to ensure that we provide access to drugs. We even provide counseling and testing services nearer to these people.
Take HIV/AIDS training and sensitization right from our children who go to school, because charity begins at home. Once these children know that AIDS kills and it's out of such practices, I think the whole nation, God willing, will overcome the problem.
Recent surveys have indicated that HIV/AIDS in Uganda increases with the rise in wealth. By their late 30s, roughly 1 in 10 women now become HIV positive, while for men, roughly 1 in 10 are infected by their early 40s. This has called for a rethink of the strategies to fight HIV/AIDS. Katabira Daniel, Tiaba Abeka Setumba, NBS Television.